and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is my quick unboxing of my Citrus Twist Pocket Life kit for September. Yes, I know we're in 2019, but this is just to show you all the sorts of things you can get in these kits, and also if you are ever wondering where certain supplies that I use, I've got them from. I like to have this as a reference for people that look back. So this is going to be, again, another sort of quick-ish unboxing because I am behind. And we will start with the papers as per usual. So we do have 6x8 papers here. They are all single-sided, but we have some gorgeous different patterns. I am sorry, I do not know what manufacturer this one is. I have not been crafting as much as one should, so I'm a little bit out of it. That's quite bold, isn't it? But I'm liking the sort of designs and the colour schemes that are going on. Oh, and I've now got stuff everywhere. In the 3x4 cards, we've got sort of like a mountain type scape, and then we have a blank and then 2018 on the back. We've got a nice pattern with one of those nice sort of grid designs that's sort of like a circle, so you can always put your title around the edge, something like that. And then we've got a cut apart with some labels. We do have two little wood pieces that are floating about, so before these get lost. One says love and the other one says this. So they will look rather nice on a card if they're actually going to focus on them. My camera is having a problem focusing at the moment. There we go, let's try that. Has got autofocus on, but every now and then I look up and I think it's having a wobble. Anyway. Probably me moving all over the place like a Speedy Gonzales. Okay, so we've got the cards. So we've got a nice flower pot design there and that nice floral on the back. We've got this view and then a heart. I need to get this to focus where I am. Let's try that. We've got this, and then we've got here. We've got I should be, but instead I'm, fill in the blanks. We've got get some sunshine and fresh air. Things I love about right now, a master plan. We've got an and symbol and some little houses. We've got hearts and then I'm so happy we ended up here. Nice design there, and I will try anything once. I'll see who that's relevant for. We've got enjoy breakfast, lunch and dinner and the date and all together now. We've got every hour deserves to be happy and today's the day. We've got yikes and make today lovely. And then we've got night in and night out, depending on what it is. So we've got a really nice selection of cards. I've not actually seen these kits. I've literally just had to take them out the boxes and work out which one's which. Anyway, that's the whole American UK date being the other way around. So going by date of posting, because they were all posted between the 8th and the 11th, it was trying to confirm whether that meant it was August, September's kit, or yeah, I got so confused I just opened them and checked the website. Lastly, we've got a little card here that says, hey you, it's time to have some fun. Citrus Twist kits in the house. And then a nice journaling card on the back, so that's like a little bonus 3x4. We've got, oh, this is a little message. So these two etched wood hearts are a little something extra that we've added to your kit this month from Trina. That's beautiful, because those little hearts, just love this. Oh, cute. What else do we have? Oh, we have puffy stickers, double-sided puffy stickers. So we've got gold words with like easy, loving, fun, hard, good. We've got this day, story, joy, etc. We've got lots of hearts dotted about for using and some leaves and some scallops. I like that. I'm going to keep that in the packaging for now while it's double-sided. I do normally staple them onto the card, but it's double-sided, so let's not. We have epoxy stickers. These are single, but there's some good sizes in these. Let's get rid of this. And this is what I normally do, is just get my tiny attacher, couple of staples, and then they're ready to go. And I don't have to take them out of packaging, because when I'm scrapping, I don't want to. So we've got Everyday Magic, Getting It Done, Life Happens, and True Love. They're a nice size. They actually match very well to, I think, what was the last February kit. I've got a layout sort of half out using that kit, and it had very similar symbols to this. Ooh, mix and matching coming up. We've got some nice word sort of phrases, some nice hearts, nice good variety. In fact, a very nice variety of epoxy stickers. We have some chipboard. So we have chipboard here, quite a few different phrases and sayings, nice couple of different shapes. So we've got lots of different textures. Then we have the die cuts. So this is the one that I normally do get out, but I'm not going to while I'm doing a quick unboxing. So hopefully you can still see all of those, but loads and loads, as always. I like this No Drama Club. Yeah, so I always find that there's lots of labels, there's some nice sayings, and it's amazing how much they mix and match between the kits. And again, last but not least, we have the stamps for this month. So we've got I'd Rather Be, Out and About Today, Loving This, Life Interrupted, Today, Tomorrow, On My List and Completed. Maybe I need to do myself a to-do list, maybe a bit longer than this one. But yeah, that's my Citrus Twist kit of September. Did arrive on time. I just haven't unboxed it, which for me is absolutely shocking. But I'm hoping, well, I'm on my way to get back into my craft room and get some bits of scrapping and get caught up on Project Life. So I thought I'd bring you these unboxings and we'll see where we go from there. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.